Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn how to fix Blink outdoor camera keeps going offline. Fix 1. Check your Wi-Fi connection. Signal strength. Ensure your camera is within a strong Wi-Fi signal range. Obstacles like walls or electronic devices can weaken the signal. Consider moving the camera closer to the router or using a Wi-Fi extender to enhance coverage. Network stability. Verify that other devices can connect to the internet. If there are issues, restarting your router may help. Fix 2. Power cycle your camera. Battery powered cameras. Remove the batteries for about 5 seconds, then reinsert them. Wait approximately 30 seconds before testing the camera. USB powered cameras. Unplug the USB cable from the camera or wall outlet. Wait 5 seconds, then reconnect it. Fix 3. Replace batteries if necessary. Low battery levels can cause connectivity issues. Replace old batteries with new 1.5 volts lithium AA batteries as they provide optimal performance for Blink cameras. Fix 4. Verify sync module status. Ensure the sync module is online, indicated by solid green and blue lights. If it's offline, power cycle the module by unplugging it for 10 seconds and then plugging it back in. Fix 5. Reset the sync module. Locate the reset button. For Sync Module 2, the reset button is on the back of the device as shown in the picture. For the original Sync module, the reset button is next to the USB port. Perform the reset. Unplug the Sync module from its power source. Using a small object like a paperclip, press and hold the reset button. While holding the button, plug the Sync module back into the power source. Continue holding the reset button until a blinking red LED appears, then release it. Wait for the LEDs to display a blinking blue light and a solid green light indicating the sync module is ready for setup. Reconfigure the sync module in the Blink app. Open the Blink app and tap the plus sign to add a new device. Select sync module and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Fix 6. Update firmware and app. Updating the Blink app for iOS devices. Open the App Store on your device. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Scroll down to see pending updates. Locate the Blink app. If an update is available, tap Update next to the Blink app. For Android devices, open the Google Play Store on your device. Tap the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. Select My Apps and Games. Under the Updates section, find the Blink app. If an update is available, tap Update. Updating Blink camera firmware. Open the Blink app, select the camera you want to check, navigate to device settings, scroll down to find the firmware version. Fix 7. Check for environmental interference. Electronic devices, thick walls, or other obstacles can interfere with the Wi-Fi signal. Position your camera and sync module to minimize such interferences. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share our video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for upcoming videos.